If you like to learn how I made this cute little fabric flower, then don't skip any part of this video. So I used the crepe fabric for this fabric flower. You can use any fabric of choice, any material of choice, and also you can make this in different sizes, any size of your choice. For my dimension, I'm working with 10 inches by 3 inches. That's for the length, 10 inches, then 3 inches. So from the very top, make a straight slanted line like so. Make sure it's in the shape of a right angled triangle. The next thing you want to do is just cut it out using your scissors. And this is exactly what you are going to get if you did it right, exactly this. So I'm just going to sew one edge and then sew a straight seam downwards, leaving one edge open. So the next thing I'm going to do is I'm going to flip it to the other side, and this is what we have after doing that. So our next step is to fold the other edge twice, like you can see me do, then just stitch it down using a needle and thread. So I'm just going to do that quickly. So we're done sewing the edge, and the next thing we're going to do is to make a loose seam to create a ruffle effect. Then we're going to drag it together to create the ruffle. Then we're going to sew the two ends together using our needle and thread. Just bring the two ends together and sew them together as you can see me do. And that's it, guys. It's very easy, super fast, super quick. You can make these fabric flowers for your outfit, for whatever you're designing, your bag, your shoes. If you're still here up to this time and you haven't subscribed to my channel, please this is a very good time to subscribe. If you've gotten any value from this video, please subscribe and turn on the notification bell so you get notified whenever I post new videos. I make new videos like this every week, and also you can drop a comment, like this video, share it to as many people that will find it helpful. If you would like me to create more videos like this, please let me know your thoughts in the comment section. And if you have any questions or complaints or whatever, please feel free to share them in the comment section and I'll respond to them as soon as I can. So we're done creating our beautiful, very easy, very quick, super chic, super fast fabric flower, and this is what it looks like. Mind you, if we had done it in bigger sizes, it will look the same way. So you can actually make this in different sizes, different colors, and even add cowries to it, add beads to it, and to come out looking very fine, very neat. So this is what we have, guys. Please don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel, please, and I'll see you in my next video. Have a lovely week.